There's something in those trees, and it's thirsty.
If you lose it here, you're in a world of hurt. There's something in those trees. I guess it's nothing, Major.
La selva se lo llevó.
¿Qué?
No sé, no estoy segura, no sé.
She says the jungle. It just came alive and took him.
I ain't got time to bleed, but I got time to eat. Welcome back to Shortcuts.
I ain't got time to bleed.
Today we got a killer episode lined up. We're talking Predator, the ultimate hunter versus hunted epic. And we're cooking up a dish that's just as explosive.
Stick around.
This movie is just pure, unadulterated 80s action perfection. The tension is palpable, the practical effects are incredible, and the Predator remains one of cinema's most terrifying creatures. It's a masterclass in building suspense with an unseen enemy. What are your favorite moments? Let me know in the comments below. These aren't just any poppers. These are jungle heat jalapeno poppers. Think of them as little flavor grenades.
Knock, knock.
Slice them in half and safely remove the seeds and the membranes to control heat. Safety first. Wear gloves if you're sensitive to chili oil or you'll be feeling like the Predator's burn. Place your sliced jalapeno half on the cutting board, then proceed to fill it with cream cheese, sharp shredded cheese, a dash of pepper, a dash of salt, some blueberry goat cheese, and finish it off with wrapping it in bacon. Make sure you wrap at an angle so it covers the entire slice. Set your air fryer for about 375 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. And then place them in the fryer. We're gonna do the Predator green blood sauce. Mix ranch dressing with some green food coloring. Those jungle poppers were explosive, but the fun isn't over yet. There's a drink. This takes your mama's Bloody Mary to the next level. Billy's blood, straight from the jungles of Valdez. We're paying tribute to the ultimate tracker, Billy, played by the legendary Sonny Landham in his 1987 classic Predator. Billy didn't just see the enemy, he felt it. To honor his stoicism and spiritual connection to the hunt, we crafted a cocktail that is as bold and uncompromising as the man himself. Billy's keen senses and his final brave stand on the log bridge. No jokes, no fear, just a drink that knows something is coming. Now I have my refreshing drink to enjoy with my poppers under the heat of the jungles of Valverde.